going live again to see this crazy thing going on and on. How do I turn it? Okay, for sure. Say hi, Rick. Ah! You're silly. Oh my gosh. Unbelievable. An amazing little summer storm. Whoops. Darn it. Coming down, look at it coming off the awning and the sides. Crazy! Don't go out and get wet again. Any door or window that's open just is. Oh! Another thunder. Oh! That is awesome. Our little river where our trail was, our little red mud river now. Woo! Okay. Oh shoot, I missed that. There was a lightning bolt. This is a great storm. Okay, bye everyone.